Welcome to our channel. If you're experiencing problems with picture messages or mobile data, follow these step-by-step instructions to configure APN settings correctly. Step 1. Understand that APN stands for Access Point Name and controls how your phone connects to your carrier's network. Incorrect APN settings prevent data and MMS from working properly. Step 2. Access APN settings by opening your phone's settings app and navigating to cellular or mobile networks. Look for access point names or APN under network settings. Step 3. Note your current APN settings before making changes. Take screenshots or write down existing information in case you need to restore original settings. Step 4. Search for your carrier's official APN settings online. Visit your carrier's support website or call customer service for the correct configuration values. Step 5. Create a new APN profile with your carrier's official settings. Enter exact values for APN name, APN type, MMS proxy, MMS port, and other required fields. Step 6. Save the new APN profile and select it as your active connection. Some phones automatically switch to new APNs while others require manual selection. Step 7. Restart your phone to apply the new network settings. A reboot ensures all changes take effect and connections are established with updated configurations. Step 8. Test mobile data by opening a web browser and MMS by sending a picture message. If issues persist, verify you entered all APN values correctly or contact carrier support. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.